We have huge news for you today. Templett now has editable calendars. This is one of the most exciting updates yet because you can add a fully editable calendar straight into your designs. It's simple, it's powerful, and it makes your template stand out instantly. Let me show you just how amazing it is. For this walkthrough, I've already chosen a template that's completely set up and ready to go. All that's left to do is add the calendar. To do that, head over to the Elements panel and click on Calendar. Here's where you can set the month and year you want. Let's say the wedding is happening in May 2026. I'll select May, set the year to 2026, and then click Add Calendar. And just like that, the calendar drops right into the design. Now let's customize it step by step. First, I'll leave the weekdays turned on and keep the language in English. For the style, I'll set it to display just one letter for each weekday. This keeps things simple and clean. For the background, we can either add a color or leave it transparent. I'll select the color option and slide it all the way to transparent. This is my favorite choice because it allows the design to stand out naturally. I'll also make the font bigger here. Now moving on to the dates, I'll do the same here. Set the background to transparent. Then make the font size a bit bigger. Since I want a minimal, elegant look, I'll also turn off the stroke completely. For the position of the dates, I'll choose centered. I really love how quick it is to adjust the alignment. Just one click and it instantly feels polished. Finally, I'll drop in this cute little heart for a sweet finishing touch. And here's the final result, a fully customized calendar that fits seamlessly into the design. The calendar feature opens up a whole new level of creativity for sellers. From save the dates and wedding reminders to baby showers, birthdays, graduations, this update makes your templates more powerful than ever and so easy to edit for your customers. And the best part, it's fast, easy, and efficient. You can add and personalize a calendar in just minutes, giving your customers something practical and beautiful without adding extra work for you. Log into Templett and try it out today. If you love this new feature, be sure to like this video and let us know in the comments. Also, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you never miss our next feature announcement.